everybody, Charles here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the battery in your motorcycle. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be removing the battery from this 2016 Triumph Street Triple and replacing it with a factory activated battery, which is a type of battery that doesn't require filling with acid or hooking up to a charger before installation. Procedures will be similar for a lot of motorcycles, but be sure to know the specifics for your bike before getting started. To make sure you're doing everything safely and correctly, read all the instructions included with your battery. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park the bike on a level surface. Find the release and remove the seat. Use the appropriate tool to remove the cables from the terminal posts. This could require a socket, screwdriver, or hex head. Start with the negative, which is marked with a minus sign. Set it aside someplace where it won't touch metal. Now, disconnect the positive and set it aside. Remove the hold down, keeping the battery in place. This will vary from one bike to the next. Once the hold down is removed, you should be able to lift the old battery out. If there's a height adapter for the bottom of the housing, make sure it isn't stuck to the bottom of the battery and that it's in place in the housing so the new battery can be installed. Set the battery in the housing and re-secure the hold down. Reattach the battery cables using the new hardware included with the battery. Reattach the positive first. Then the negative. Put the seat back in place. And give the ignition a try to make sure everything's working the way it should be. Since your bike is likely to go long periods of time without being started, keep a battery maintainer on hand and connected during stretches of inactivity so it's ready to go when you are. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.